Alright people, I just invented this. I just made it for my wife. It looks and tastes delicious. And so I figured I'd videotape it. I am making shrimp scampi, potato, bacon, and shallot, and corn hash with an egg on top. So I got my potatoes and shallots and a few pieces of bacon, and I'm browning them off right now. Alright, these are brown enough for me, so I'm going to turn this down, way down to simmer. Okay, I'm going to add a little more bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Then I'm going to add some corn. Corn. Alright, corn. Yeah. Like that? I like corn, so I add more than probably you would. So, and then I had shrimp left over because I made what did I make? Shrimp something, shrimp grits or shrimp pasta or something. So now I'm gonna take some of this shrimp and I'm gonna throw it in there too. A little shrimp here, a little shrimp there, a little shrimp here, a little shrimp there, a little shrimp here, a little shrimp there. And maybe a little scrimper there, and maybe a little scrimper there. And now I'm going to make two pockets, kind of, like such. And I'm going to crack 2 eggs in there. Alright, so now I cracked 2 eggs in there. And remember, it's on very, very low. Let it simmer. Let the whites cook. I might have to flip it one time. I might need a camera person for that part. But we'll see. Yep, I don't really have a lid for this, and I'm getting impatient, so I'm going to just flip it, and I don't care if the eggs break. They're going to break anyway. One hand on the camera, one on the saute. I've kind of ruined it with my impatience, but you get the gist. And then I'll show you the final product. I've turned it up a little bit because I'm just basically going to saute it almost. And hold on. Yeah, you. Here's after some additional flipping. And that's the gist of it, basically. Move it around a little bit. Once your eggs are done, you're done. Oh, wait, cheese. I forgot cheese. Alright, so I threw some feta in there now. Let that incorporate. Turn it off. Grab a plate. Move this out the way. There's your potato, corn, bacon, shallot, shrimp, and egg hash. Word. Thanks for watching. I love you. Yeah.